to talk about concealer today.
And I get to be the model.
She is the model, and we're doing a blog post on this too. But we figured we might as well add a video in with this. So,
ta-da! No, so I have concealer on right now, and we're gonna take it off so you get to see the coverage that some of our favorite concealers offer.
Like, you always want to try and take off all of your concealer and makeup before putting more on top of it. Sometimes if I'm like running around all day, I'm like, okay, let me pop a little bit more concealer on, but I try to just take it off like she's doing and then do a fresh new coat of it.
Mm-hmm.
The first step is prep.
A pea-sized amount.
Yeah.
Take it on my ring finger and then just tap under the eye. You don't have to go directly under the lash line because you don't want product in your eyes.
Yeah, and your products will like move up too as your oils in your skin, so you don't need to like really push it up too far.
One of the questions that I had in our stories was, how do you keep your concealer from creasing?
Yeah.
I love the Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer because it's something that I'll even put under the eye to keep the concealer from moving and creasing.
Yeah.
So this is a little tip to add to your beauty regimen.
So let's put that one on then.
Okay.
This really will help your concealer stay much, much better. Step number 2 is going to be correct.
You like to use a pink base, especially for any blue and purple undertones.
The Makeup Forever one is
love
phenomenal.
This
This is
HD.
R32. And then this is NARS Honey.
So the HD, I would say, is a little bit lighter in coverage, but it doesn't crease, so it's great.
We're gonna do one on each eye. A lot of times, like, I will just use my finger, especially on myself, because the natural oils of your hand and your skin will just kind of help that press into your
Look like skin.
You're gonna do the NARS on the other side.
That way you can compare. And again, both of these are pink base.
Yeah. A lot of people already know this, want to go like an upside down triangle, not the football straight across.
Which one do you like so far?
I don't know, I think I like this one.
The NARS is a little bit more drying, I find.
Yeah.
So if I use my NARS in my kit, I will make sure they're prepped correctly. So I'll use a little bit more of a hydrating under eye.
Okay. Scroll in and see the difference.
It covers a lot better.
Okay, so now after we have prepped, correct, conceal.
So ready, set, go.
We're gonna start Kat Von D. This is
does not test on animals for the ladies that are wanting some product.
Then we also have the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And some more Makeup Forever. This is full coverage. And what one do you want to do on each?
Let's do the Kat Von D for sure.
Yeah.
And then I would do either Double Wear or Makeup Forever. I mean, that kind of leaves us.
Yeah, 2 choices. So we'll do Kat Von D. We'll do Kat Von D on our favorite side over here. Ooh, so pretty.
Nice
I
and
like
bright.
that. I feel like the Kat Von D one gives you a little bit of a brightening effect, which is nice. This is light to medium. Yeah, Double Wear. And sorry guys, I forgot to tell you this. This one was neutral, the Kat Von D.
I feel like the light to medium, I don't know what you think, is maybe a little tinge too light. I think.
Yeah, especially right now you've got a little bit of a tan.
And so, rule of thumb, when you put on a concealer, you want it to be 1 shade lighter than your foundation.
Yeah.
But if it's lighter than your brow bone, then it's too light. So I think this is a good example of it being a little too light.
Too light. I love this one.
Yeah. So you can see how it starts to look chalky through here. And then this one.
It's beautiful.
I'm ready to go.
Guys, these are all like our top favorites. It's just really personal preference of what you're looking for and what you're going for. And then I also use KKW. We did that in our last video. Her concealer, well, she's the queen of contour, so I feel like you've got it. Her concealers and her contour palettes are like snatched. So I really, really like her stuff. So just depends. So we're gonna set her under eye with some powder. This is just Makeup Forever HD powder, general setting powder. There's tons and tons of setting powders out there.
And when you look for a setting powder, you really want something that is triple milled, very fine,
Right.
because you don't want it to build up and get cakey.
I also like to use a brightening powder underneath if I'm like going out, you know.
Laura Mercier.
KKW, Laura
That's a good
Mercier.
one.
So you can also add that in if you're looking for that extra.
So yeah, that's it. Some of our tips for concealer.
Some tricks, yeah.
We're gonna be talking about 5 things.
You should do once you get engaged.
Yeah, 5 things you should add to your beauty
To-do
regimen.
list, your beauty regimen, yes.
So I'm
So-
excited to talk about that. We're
Yes.
gonna have it like the ultimate list.
Yes. So
So.
stay tuned for that. And then we're going to do more videos. This one was short and sweet. But
Yeah, we worked out at the gym and we said, "Hey,
Yeah.
let's do a
The
video."
So here we are. You can tell we didn't really practice.
Yeah, but
But
that's
okay.
what I like.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, bye.
Bye, guys.